We're going to be looking at interpreting remainders. I'm going to have 3 different videos to show the 3 types that we learned in class. Focus on it, ignore it, and round up. In this video, we're going to be looking on focusing on the remainder. And we focus on the remainder when the remainder is your answer. And so we're going to be looking at this example. It says Blake guides nature trail walks for groups of no more than 6 people. If 46 people want to go on a walk, how many will be in a group of less than 6? The important thing when you're looking at these problems is to make sure you are reading the question. It says how many people will be in groups of less than 6. Okay, so we know we're going to divide because we're starting with the whole of 46 and we're splitting into 6 because each group will have no more than 6. And so let's start with dividing, and we're going to be dividing these using our box method. Okay, so we have 46 divided by 6. And we always start with doing our multiples of the divisor, which is 6. So we have 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, and we'll stop at 48. If you ever need more, you can just go back and add more later. Be sure to put your problems here. Put the numbers here so you don't get confused. Okay, and we have our steps. Does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers? Dividing, multiply, subtract, check, and bring over. So we start with division. 4 divided by 6, we cannot do that. Remember, when we divide, you start with the whole, with the bigger number. And if it's not, you have to use 0 first because 4 is not here. Our smallest one is 6. So we have to put a 0. Then multiply. 6 times 0 is 0. Subtract. 4 minus 0, 4. Check. This check is there just to go back and check your work so far that we have it correct. Next, bring over the 4. 46. We don't have 46. We have to use the closest one without going over, which would be 7. 7 times 6 is 42. 42 goes here, and the 6 goes here. The 7, sorry. Okay, and then we subtract. 6 minus 2 is 4. This is your remainder, what's left over. So the answer to 46 divided by 6 is 7, remainder 4. Now let's go back to the question. Always go back. How many people will be in a group of less than 6? So we were able to make 7 groups here of 6, but there's some left over, which is your remainder. Your remainder is what's left over. And they're asking how many will be in a group of less than 6. That'll be 4 people are in a group less than 6. So our answer to this would be 4, because 4 people are in a group less than 6. There's 7 groups of 6, and 4 will be in a group less than 6. So this is an example of when you focus on the remainder. The important thing is to look at the question. When you solve it, go back to read the question to make sure you're answering what the question is asking you. Check out the other videos to see examples of ignoring the remainder and then rounding up.